Hi, I'm Ken with Firegear Outdoors. Today we're going to go over the features of the Firegear All-Weather Electronic Fire Pit Burner System that we like to call AWS, as well as an overview of how to install that system into an SRW block enclosure. So here we have Firegear's Paver Vent Kit, available in a 4-inch and a 6-inch. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you'll find is the installation instructions, the 3-piece vent kit, our lentils, and a hardware bag that includes the screws and spacers to assemble it. So the Firegear Paver vents were designed to give you 18 square inches of cross ventilation. So here we have Firegear's Flexframe. Let's do an inventory of the box. What you're going to find is the installation instructions and our 304 stainless steel Flexframe kit. Our Flexframe kit was designed to support one of our pans or discs in your fire feature for easy service and maintenance. So here we have Firegear's AWS System. That stands for All-Weather Electronic Ignition. When we open the box, you're going to find a completely assembled system that'll have the burner mounted to the pan, the electronic valve below, along with its pilot assembly. You're also going to find a hardware bag that includes the installation instructions, the control panel faceplate with the weatherproof switch, the key valve, its faceplate, and the key. You'll also find our GOE power supply, which converts from AC to DC voltage that'll be connected to the system. Lastly, you'll find a wiring kit that will allow you to wire our valve, switch, and power supply together. How does the AWS system work? Basically, you have an electronic control valve that is connected to a switch that's then connected to a DC power supply. When the system is turned on, there's a sensor that monitors the flame. If the flame was to blow out or be interrupted, the system would shut off. So if the AWS system was to blow out or stop working, the system will attempt to relight itself up to 3 times. After the 3rd attempt, if it does not ignite, you need to turn your system off, wait 5 minutes, and then turn it back on to reignite itself. So here we have the AWS system, and we're ready to install that into your SRW block enclosure. So as you'll see, connected to the bottom of your AWS valve, you'll have a whistle-free stainless steel flex line. Feed that flex line through your control panel on your SRW block enclosure. Connect that to your key valve. Install your inlet gas line to the other side of the key valve. Feed the wired switch on the control panel through the block enclosure as well. Now you're ready to install the faceplate onto the face of the Paver control panel. So now we're ready to wire your AWS system. We're going to take the wiring that has your 3-pin Molex connector, plugging that into the valve. So take the red wire coming from the Molex connector and slide that onto your weatherproof switch. Take the black wire and plug that spade connector into the black lead coming from your power supply. Take the red wire from the power supply and slide that onto the other side of your waterproof switch. Once you've slid the spade connectors onto the weatherproof switch, now it's time to plug in the GOE power supply into the outlet that you've pre-installed into your fire pit. At this point, you can now lower your AWS burner system onto the Flexframe. Firegear offers a variety of different media to personalize your fire feature. We like to call it jewelry. We offer lava rock, lava stones, broken glass, ceramic, and steel log sets. Now that we have your burner system installed, it's time to test fire. Take your key, inserting it into the key valve, turning it to the full on position. Now, push the switch on your weatherproof switch to the on position. You should notice that the unit's igniter will start to glow, and then the unit will fire up. Thanks for joining us today here at Firegear Outdoors. If you have any additional questions or need some technical support, again, please don't hesitate to contact us at 800-966-8126. Or check us out at firegearoutdoors.com.